Hello, dear students. Hope everyone is fine and healthy. Be active, stay at home. Okay, student, today we are going to start a new chapter from our English Honeydew textbook. Okay, the second chapter. The name is the tsunami. Okay, I hope you are aware with the word tsunami. Let, let me explain you more. The tsunami word refers to a very large and powerful wave in the sea, right? Student, why it is caused? Because there can be three reasons. Okay, there the first reason is the earthquake under the sea. Okay, secondly the landslide, and third the volcano eruption. These are the three reasons which causes powerful waves, that is tsunami. Okay, student, one such calamity, one such calamity has hit our country also. Okay, not only our country, during that year it has affected several countries. Okay, so I'm talking about the year 2004 December 26. On this day, the worst, we can say, affected parts were coastal parts of India. Coastal part is the area which is near the sea. Okay, so this tsunami has hit from the eastern part, that is Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. These places were severely affected. Not only those, student, our island, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island, this was too very and very severely affected with the tsunami. So in this chapter we are going to see and read about the stories of brave person, how they have overcame the tsunami problems. Okay, how they have protected themselves and the others. Okay, and also we are going to see how the tsunami has not only affected human life but animal life. So you're going to read some very miraculous thing in this chapter uh, about animals. Okay, compared to human being, animals were very least affected. Now why, that I'll make you understand while saying you the story. Okay, one more thing I want to add is that during this time, student, this calamity has led 1,50,000 people to lose their life. Okay, um, not only from India but from other countries, inclusive of all the countries. Okay, so I'm going to start the story. First and foremost, uh, here you can see the map of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, so here it is shown that one place, that is Kachal. Okay, Kachal and Nankauri. Okay, this Kachal and Nankauri were severely affected. So we are going to start the first story of a person from Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, the first story says about a man, Ignatius. Okay, his name is Ignatius. He was a manager of cooperative society. Okay, he was a manager, and once he was sleeping at his home with his family members. Okay, uh, his in-laws were also there with him in that room. Okay, Ignatius was living with his 5 children and his wife, his father-in-law, and brother-in-law. Okay, so these many members were there in the room. Okay, something happened in the morning 6 a.m. Okay, the floor started vibrating. The floor started vibrating, and so Ignatius' wife, she came to Ignatius, and she was waking him up. Okay, she told Ignatius, get up, see, something is going on. Okay, the manager, he was very shocked. He thought what it could be. Okay, so he also woke up in a frightening manner, we can say. Okay, he was very scared and frightened. What happened? When he stood on the floor, even he could feel the vibration. And so what he did, he lifted his TV from the TV top and kept on the floor. Okay, so that TV doesn't get broke. Okay, and then the family rushed out of the house. You know, student, when anything happens, like natural calamity or something, or earthquake, so what we used to do first is to run out. Okay, so the whole family, they rushed out of the house. But what happened, student? Just if you visualize the picture, you can see, you can imagine, when they rushed out, they could see the sea rising. Okay, the sea was rising very high. Okay, in the chaos and confusion, two of Ignatius' children caught hand of mother's father and mother's brother. Okay, one child hold the hand of mother's father, and one child hold the hand of mother's brother. Okay, and three children were with Ignatius. Okay, now the whole family rushed out, and as they were running in outside, they were splitted and they ran in a different direction. Okay, so student, this was the situation, we can say, which was the worst for this family. Mother's father and mother's brother and Ignatius' wife, these three people with two children, they were washed away in the flow of the water. And somehow Ignatius, he rushed in a different direction, and he was saved with three children. Okay, so he never saw them again. He never saw his wife and in-laws. They were swept away. Only three children were left, and who came with him were saved. Okay, so this is one story. Now I would like to show you here how the tsunami started, from which part. You can see in the map, that from Indonesia, or we can say towards eastern part, the tsunami started. Okay, actually the Indo and Australian plate, that was collided under the sea level. Okay, so that is why the most affected part was this, and so the big waves came in India, and it adversely affected as the coastal region as well as the island Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Now coming to the next story, that is a story about Sanjeev. Okay, Sanjeev was a policeman. Okay, he was living in a Kachal. Okay, Kachal island, it is a part of Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, as I showed you in the first slide, he was serving his duty in a Kachal island. Okay, and he somehow managed to save himself. Okay, when he saw that tsunami is going to hit the land, he somehow managed to go at a higher place and saved himself. He not only saved himself but his wife as well as baby daughter. Okay, so these three members, they were saved. But student, what happened, then he heard cries from his uh, गेस्ट हाउस कुक्स वाइफ. ओके, उसका एक गेस्ट हाउस कुक था जिसकी वाइफ चिल्ला रही थी हेल्प के लिए. ओके, दैट कुक्स नेम वाज जॉन. ओके, सो जॉन की वाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प के लिए शाउट कर रही थी. सो संजीव थॉट व्हाई नॉट टू प्रोटेक्ट हर. ओके, सो he kept his wife and baby at a safer place, and he rushed in the waves, okay, to hold the hand of John's wife, okay, to save her. But student, he was not that lucky. In this situation, both of the person, that is John's wife as well as Sanjeev, they both were swept away. So it is really very disheartening that how people have tackled to save their life and others' life. Okay. So for today we'll stop here. Next day I'll continue with other part of the chapter.